So what can also be done is, let's say, for example, if you want to print off the file from your computer to a remote desktop, you can do that as well. But for that, what needs to be done first is you need to install the AnyDesk printer. So that needs to be done if the other user prints out the file from your computer, or if you have to print out the file from your computer to the remote computer. So to do that, you can click on the hamburger icon and then go around over here onto settings, let's say, for example. And from over here, what you can simply do is you can go around over here onto printer. So here you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that it says use the default printer. You can use the selected printer right here, just like this. So in my case, it is already installed and ready to use. But if you don't have your particular printer out right here, so you can see that I can choose my physical printer or Adobe PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF right here. So whatever printer I want to use when the remote desktop actually prints it out, I can simply go ahead and do that. I can also print it automatically using the selected printer as well without even asking, but I'm going to leave this unchecked so that whenever the remote desktop tries to print, I can still go ahead and select out my printer. If the printer is not installed, however, then you will have an option right here and it'll say it's not installed. So you need to go ahead and click and install the printer first, and then you'll get this option. So this is how you can go ahead and change around the settings of AnyDesk printer as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.